So I woke up this morning and I was feeling nevertheless. You guys, hi guys, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, depending on when you're watching this vlog. So I woke up to dress my son up for school. In between, my daughter is not feeling fine. She's not feeling all right because normally I woke up around 6 and this girl here isn't supposed to be awake by then. She's not supposed to be awake by 6 o'clock, but because she was not feeling fine, she didn't even sleep throughout the night. And even when I stood up from the bed to go to the kitchen to arrange things for my baby boy so that he could go to school early, she still stood up from the bed. So I now had to back her, put her on my back. So I went straight into the kitchen and I washed my son's flax. I washed it and I poured hot water inside to heat it up so that if I put food there, the food will retain its hotness. Guys, to be a mom is not a day job. In fact, to be a parent is not a day job because I know what I and my husband went through like the previous night. In fact, throughout for 4 or 5 days, we've not had a good sleep because my daughter is not feeling fine and she doesn't sleep. She just keeps disturbing in the night. So I know what we've been passing through. And this morning that I even woke up, I was feeling so tired, but I don't have a choice. My son has to go to school, and because I didn't sleep last night and I didn't even wake up as early as I was supposed to, because I was supposed to wake up around 5 o'clock, 5:30, but I woke up around 6. So I didn't have time to come and start making fresh meal for my boy, and then I had to give him leftover white rice I made the previous day and egg sauce. So this was me trying to heat it up, for it to be hot so I can put into his food flask. If you look at my baby, the way she's just the way she's behaving, you would really see that this girl is not feeling fine at all. My baby is one active, like she's hyperactive, but since she became sick, you guys help me pray for Kiona. Pray so baby Kiona would get better. I am so worried, like I am not feeling fine, because you guys, there's no way my child will not be feeling fine and I'll be okay. Mothers will relate. So this is a fresh juice that my husband made for my baby boy the previous day, like in the night. So I went to check it to bring it out for him so he could take it to school, and I want to prepare pap for him to take to eat before he goes to school. So I want to give him pap and bread, because you guys, there is no time, although he doesn't like eating in the morning, so I try as much as possible to give him something light that he can at least accept, because if I start doing heavy food, maybe like rice or something heavy, he might end up not eating anything or maybe vomit. So I usually do pap for him or custard, but mainly I do pap for him because I always prepare pap. So this pap now that is inside this nylon is part of the pap I prepared last week. I like scooping some into a waterproof and then put the better part, like the big part of the pap, inside a bowl or like a place that has cover, and put inside my freezer. Then this one I put inside the nylon, I put it in the fridge, so that whenever I want to take it, whenever I want to make pap, it will be easy for me, because if I put it in the freezer, I will keep bringing it out and waiting for it to defreeze before I use it. already running late to school. Yes, let me go and prepare water sharp. Mom, this one you just come and continue like this. Carrying bread. Bam, bam, bam. Finish. Guys, I really thank God for this girl. Thank God for this girl. Oh, she was so sick yesterday.
Well, I won't get you the you're wrong. Come who told them? I just say now, maybe she use and play. I don't know to this girl this year.
She won't cry.
No, but chat, I'm feeling on again here. Huh?
Yeah, that's all.
But she's better. Yeah, good. Let's go. Whatever. I'm coming for you, baby.
Go to Dubai. Tell your brother bye. To Dubai. See you later. No, it didn't show, babe. finally they left around 7:49, almost 7:50, and I think that was quite late. That was because my daughter, this woman here, she refused to sleep last night. Like, she was just disturbing. You guys, she was like, I literally did not blink. I didn't sleep. Well, I understand she's not feeling fine. Like, she's really been sick for some days now. We've been off and on in the hospital. So, but I really thank God for today because she's better. Looking at her face, you will know that, I mean, this girl is not feeling fine. Her face is quite dull. I really thank God because before she can't like stay upright like this. She would have to lean, like she would have to, put her head on your chest. But today she's doing better. She's even walking. For some days my daughter has not walked. Like, she has not stepped her foot on the floor and say she's walking. I was so scared, but today I really thank God for everything. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to comment. Please support this channel. This channel had an issue, but I'm just trying to bring it back to life. So you guys, if you just come across this video, help me to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on your post notification. Thank you so much for watching, and see you guys on my next on my next video. Bye. Mama, say bye. Say bye bye. Madam.